Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be diving into my Ipsy versus Ipsy for January 2024. My PR bag was great, so I have high hopes. And I really like to do this comparison to see if Ipsy is actually listening to us and if our profiles actually make a difference. And if you're unfamiliar with our OG, the original Ipsy glam bag, you do get 5 deluxe travel items and a makeup bag every single month for $14. You do get to pick one of those items. I'm gonna go into my mother-in-law's bag first. She is so generous to let me open her bag before she even sees it, so thank you. Her profile is light eyes, light hair, and light skin. She has a preference for makeup and she's semi-comfortable with makeup. And then I'll let you know about mine when we dive into my bag. I really love the actual bag this month. It is a beautiful lilac with some sequins. It's so freaking pretty. And then the theming for this month is Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and to others, and make sure you feel pampered every day, because the path to getting that glow, both inside and out, starts now. And there should be some deets on our products. Yes, there are, so I don't want to look at that just yet. So in her bag, obviously, we're trying to see if it's a little bit more makeup heavy, and then we'll dive into my bag. So first up, she has the Nicole Miller Serene Eau de Parfum, and she is a perfume lover, so she is 1000% gonna love this if I hold it up right for you guys. She's gonna love this, like she loves perfumes. Next up is the Lauren's, the Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Not any makeup just yet, but I do know these are items that she will use. I think she's really also going to love this, and that's a pretty good size as well. Next up, feels strange, what the heck? This is a Lash Step Midnight Mascara. That packaging is so cute. I hope I get this in my bag. It is a hot pink, like twisted mascara. I've never heard of this, but that packaging is cute as heck, y'all. Okay, I think she's gonna like that too. She loves mascaras as well. Next up in her bag is the Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. And I've been using this non-stop since receiving it in my PR package. I like the texture of it. It smells really nice. It feels great on the lips, so I think she's also gonna love that. Not necessarily makeup, but I think she'll still really like it. And I like that we have a body cream and something for the lips as we're kind of in the dead of winter, so to speak. So I think she's gonna like that. And then last but not least, this is a banger for her. I'm gonna go ahead and say right now, she's gonna say 5 out of 5 as well. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant in light neutral. And I also think she's going to love this. So she got the Shape Tape, the lip mask, the lotion, the mascara, and the perfume. Y'all, that's one of the better bags that I've seen in a very long time. Like, I would use everything in here, and I know that she would as well. So let's run down her deets really quickly. You will get the informational card that will tell you about all the products. So first up, she had the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer in Light Neutral. This medium coverage concealer brightens your look and keeps you hydrated all day long. It's packed with sea berry, seed, and fruit oils for the anti-aging and hydrating punch, along with licorice root to help you say goodbye to dark circles. Full size is $31. Next up is the Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. This buttery overnight lip mask is powered by a blend of naturally derived coconut, macadamia, and olive oils. Each luxurious ingredient helps deeply moisturize and nourish to help eliminate dry, flaky lips while you sleep. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $19. Next up is the Lash Step Mascara. This pitch black mascara is here to take care of your lashes. With just one coat, it helps both lengthen and add volume so you can finish off your glam right. This is a full size for $21, so there you've already paid for the price of your bag. Next up, we had the Nicole Miller, the Serene fragrance. Ready to unleash your inner femme fatale, Serene is your go-to scent, blending the freshness of fresh ozone and aloe vera with the allure of radiant rose and the subtle sweetness of fig. Notes of lilac, freesia, and watery musk finish off this unforgettable fragrance. It is a deluxe sample. The full size is $90. She's gonna love this bag so much. And then last up in her bag was the Lauren's Skincare Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. This lightweight body lotion has all your favorite nourishing ingredients: vitamin E, shea butter, and coconut oil. Plus, licorice root extract even helps soothe and calm any inflammation. Oh, and did we mention it smells like delicious vanilla almond goodness? This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $20. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of her bag, and let me know if you think mine's going to be better or not. It is not. It never is. All right, let me get all of her stuff back in her bag. And then all the way back in her bag. Next up, I'll go into my bag. Mine is, I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a heavy preference for skincare. All right, first up, I did also get the Nicole Miller fragrance, the Serene. Next up, something in bubble wrap, and I already know I'm not gonna keep this because I did get one in my PR package. It is the Lucky Chick eyeshadow palette. Next, oh, that's so pretty. I have the Beauty for Certain, the Rosado High Gloss Lip Oil, and that looks so beautiful. It is a sheer lip oil with a bunch of glitters in it. Okay, I like that. Next up, I also got the lotion. I'm excited about that. That is also the Lauren's Vanilla Almond Body Butter Lotion. And then last up in mine is the Clinique Take the Day Off Charcoal Cleansing Balm. I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. I definitely consider this more like, you know, skincare based. I have my lotion, I have a lip oil, which if you know, you know, I love lip oils, a fragrance, and the eyeshadow palette. I think they nailed this month, y'all. I think this is a freaking home run, slam dunk, 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I love both bags equally, so I think this month it's a tie. What did you get in your bag? Are either of us your bag twins? What did you think of this month's selection? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you, beauties, for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Beauties, I just realized I forgot to add this and show you guys. It is just a really pretty, like, kind of neutrally cool tone leaning palette. And then, of course, everything else was the same other than the lip oil. And that is a full size for $22. So I'm sorry. Bye.